Let's talk about wintertime snow removal. How do we get the snow off the car safely? There's a lot of bad practices I see happening out there. A lot of stuff really just actually pains me when you watch somebody taking snow off their car, as somebody spends hours polishing, compounding, perfecting paint. When you see this happen, it's just bad news. So there's snow out in the vehicle. We're here in Lehigh Valley, Allentown, Bethlehem, Easton. It's gonna snow, it is snowing. How do you get the snow off the car? That's the great question. So I've seen people take the snow off house brooms, shop brooms. That's a big no-no. Scratch city right there. You're gonna put scratches in the paint. Don't do that. Don't ever let anybody do that. And then you're thinking, oh, well, let me go buy the brush from the store. Well, this is a standard brush. If you're in the Northeast where it snows, you'll see one of these. It's got the scraper. Here's the problem. It has these hard bristles. You start removing this, you're gonna go in there, you're gonna take that all over your hood. That's just gonna scratch the paint right up. For comparison, this is the brush we use in the shop on the tires. This is a tire brush. The bristles are plastic. The bristles are plastic here. The bristles are actually softer on this tire brush. I would never, ever put this on the paint of any vehicle. So I don't know why we're touching paint with this. People just don't know. So please, if you have a brush like this, don't use it. We recommend a nice foam brush like this. Nice foam, it's flexible. There's nothing there to scratch the paint. The other tip is just keep the brush off the top of the paint. Just kind of, if you can almost just shave the snow off there, it's okay. Leave just a little bit of layer on there. That's fine. If there's ice melted on the car, don't get in there and worst thing you do, try to scrape that ice off the hood. That's gouges, paint damage right there. I've even seen, it's crazy, but you'll see somebody, they'll take the snow shovel. Now this plastic, nice steel thing there to chip ice. I don't know why you'd put that on your car, but every year I'll see one of my neighbors doing that, but just know you're damaging your paint when you do it. So if you have any questions about your paint or your vehicle, contact us at immaculatepaintprotection.com.